What's up, guys? Adventure Buddies back here at the airport on our trip to Costa Rica. So we thought we'd give you part 2 of our airport travel tip. But first, Jake, tell them what they gotta do.
Hit the like and subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Alrighty, you heard the man. Gianna?
Cue the intro. Be sure to always check it online so you can get your boarding pass early and avoid waiting in the check-in line.
Tip number 2, always make sure to have your toiletries and your electronics easily accessible for TSA.
When traveling internationally, always pack a pen so you can fill out your custom form during the flight versus waiting in a long line after your flight ends.
Tip number 4, with the different varieties of ways to watch your in-flight entertainment nowadays, make sure you bring 2 different types of headphones. For instance, I've got the headphone jack that you plug into your chair to watch on the back of the chair, or I got my lightning port for my iPhone in case I have to use the in-flight app to watch my movies.
Always pack a portable charger so you can charge your electronics like my iPad.
Tip number 6, to save space in your carry-on luggage, try wearing your bulky jackets or sweatshirts onto the plane. Not only does it save space in your carry-on, but what it does will help keep you warm while you're on the plane. Because we both know those thin airplane blankets do nobody any warmth.
Tip number 7, always put your name on your bag so you can identify it better at baggage claim.
Tip number 8, tip for you moms out there, pack plenty of snacks before you leave the house to make sure that these kiddos are fed, and us too, to avoid the expensive, pricey snacks that you get in the terminals.
Alright guys, those were our 8 travel tips for traveling in the airports. Let's recap it real quick. Tip number 1.
Make sure to check it online.
Tip number 2.
Have your toiletries and electronics easily accessible for TSA.
Tip number 3.
Always bring a pen.
Tip number 4, make sure you pack the right headsets. Tip number 5.
Make sure to bring a portable charger.
Tip number 6 is always make sure your bulky items are on you, not in the bag. Tip number 7.
Make sure to tag your luggage.
Tip number 8.
Bring snacks from home.
Alright Jake, sign us off.
Life's adventure. Who are you going on it with?